Is your e-commerce website losing customer every day because payments fail? Fees are huge and international buyers can't check out smoothly, no matter how much traffic you drive. In this video, I'll show you how switching to a simple crypto payment solution can fix all that and turn those failed checkout into real revenue. And let's see how to add cryptocurrency payment gateway into your WooCommerce store and start accepting 300 plus cryptocurrencies in a minute. Alright, to start accepting cryptocurrency payment gateway on your WooCommerce website, there is a platform called NOWPayments.io. There's a link in the video description that will take you to this website. We'll start by creating an account. So first of all, type your email over here and password and confirm typing your password. And then check these two boxes and then click on next step. You can save the password if you like. In the next step, select your business type. In this case, we are adding the cryptocurrency payment gateway in our e-commerce website. I'll select e-commerce and marketplace. So here you have to type your business website URL. Once you're done with it, type your corporate email and then click done. Now you will receive a verification email at your mailbox. So go to your mailbox. Now this is the verification code. Just copy the code, come back here and paste the code and click done. So here you have to add your crypto wallet address. You can add it right now or you can do it later. I do have crypto wallet address. If you do not know how to create crypto wallet address, you can download any crypto wallet app on your mobile device like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Binance Wallet, etc. And there is a link in the video description to install the Binance app and detailed information how to create a wallet address. Once you have that, select your correct cryptocurrency. I'll select Binance Coin, BSC, and I'm gonna add my wallet address. Once you see this green tick mark, then click on Add Wallet. Alright, so now we are inside the dashboard of NOWPayments.io. First, I'm gonna click on Accept the cookie from the site. In the left-hand side, you will see all the tools that help you to manage your cryptocurrency payment gateway. And this tool not only allows you to add cryptocurrency payment gateway on your site, NOWPayments offer more than you can imagine that we'll look at later in this video. First, let's see how to add cryptocurrency payment gateway. Now it's time to log in into your WordPress dashboard. So this is my dummy site. On your WordPress dashboard, we need to install a plugin. Hover your mouse over plugins, click on Add Plugin. Now search for NOWPayment and go ahead, install and activate this plugin. Click on Activate, click on Allow and Continue. So this plugin requires the WooCommerce plugin. I already have the WooCommerce plugin and I have the NOWPayments for WooCommerce as well. Let's hover your mouse over WooCommerce and then click on Settings. Go to Payments tab. Now here you will see NOWPayments is inactive. With this plugin, you can accept 300 plus cryptocurrencies. Let's go ahead, click on Enable and then click on Manage button. So make sure this one is checked in order to work this plugin. This plugin comes with the Pro version as well. With the Pro version, you can show crypto icons and individual prices on the product page, only available in Pro version. If you are interested in this feature, you can buy the Pro version just by clicking here and you will land on this page. And from here, you can buy this plugin. So let's see how to enable this properly. And just like PayPal, it also comes with the sandbox mode. When you enable this option, you can receive a dummy payments or a sample payments just to test out the payment system. So I'm not gonna do it. Let's keep scrolling down. Here you can change the title if you like and this label as well. I'm gonna keep it as it is. So in order to receive the real payment, you need a live API key and live IP and secret key. To get it, let's go back to your NOWPayments account and here in the dashboard, or you can go to the settings and click on payments and go to API keys and click on add new API key. So this is your API key and your public key. We need API key. So let's copy this API key and save it in safe place in your computer. You can add a label to this API key just to remember your store name. Let's go back to your WordPress dashboard, paste the API key. Now we need the live IP and secret key. To get it, let's go back to NOWPayments account and close this one. And let's go ahead, click on Insta Payment Notification. Now click on Generate IP and Secret Key. So this is your key, copy it and then click on I save the key and close. Here you need to add the webhook URL that you copied from your WordPress dashboard and then click Save. Let's go back to your WordPress dashboard and paste your IP and secret key that we just copied from NOWPayments account. and then click on Save Changes. Alright, so now you're ready to accept cryptocurrency payments through this cryptocurrency payment gateway internationally. To test this payment gateway, first I need to change the site visibility. Click on Site Visibility. It's currently coming soon. Let me make it live. Click on Save Changes. Let's visit the store. Copy the store URL. Open a private window. Let's go to store. So let's pretend as a customer. Let's open any product. Let's try to buy this product. Select the variation. Click on Add to Cart. Click on View Cart. Click on Checkout. Enter your email, your billing detail, and when you scroll down, you can see in the payments option, you have the NOWPayments payment gateway, which is the cryptocurrency payment gateway. So let's click on Place Order. So in the next page, it will redirect you to NOWPayments.io website, where your customer can select the currency from the list, or they can search for the currency USDT or any of their favorite currency, and then they have to click on Next Step. In the next step, your customer can pay this amount using the QR code, or they can use this wallet address. In the more detailed section, they can see the payment ID and order ID. Your customer also can leave your email to check whether the seller received the payment or not. Once your customer processes the payment, you will see the success message. And there you go. Now you are ready to receive crypto payments using NOWPayments cryptocurrency payment gateway. So let me close this one. So now come back here, and now let me show you what else you can do with NOWPayments. Let's go to the dashboard. As you know, you can receive 300 plus cryptocurrencies with NOWPayments, but you can do other things as well. Like you can create mass payout, fiat operations. If you do not know what is fiat payments, well, fiat payments simply means payment made using regular government issue money like INR, Indian rupees, USD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, euro, pounds, etc. Here's a simple example. Fiat money equal normal currency issued by country's government. Fiat payments equal regular money payment, not crypto. Okay, next, let's go to payment history. In the payment history, you will see all the details regarding the transactions. And here you can see this is the recent payment. It's still waiting. Once you see the success status, you can change the order status of your e-commerce website to completed. Okay, next we have the payment solution tab. In here we have the payments. This is the payment tool. You can instantly create payment links with widgets or buttons. If you click here and click on Try It Now, and here you can choose the currency from the drop down. You can go to all, or you can select only crypto, or you can use fiat, which is the real currency issued by country's government. Once you select that, you can add the price. Order ID is optional. You can add a description and then click on Confirm, and it will create a link for you that you can share to your customer to receive the money directly into your NOWPayments account. Let's close this out. Very useful option. In the donation, you can create donation widget for your website that you can embed anywhere on your website. This is the embedded code. Just copy the code by clicking here and then embed it anywhere on your website. But make sure to select the currency from here and the amount over here. You can also embed the buttons, black one or white one. You can select from here. And you can also add the link anywhere on your website just by copying this link. Amazing, right? Next, we have the subscription. If you have subscription-based website, you can create subscription plan just by clicking here. Give it a name, add a period, add the number over here, select the period, months, days, years. You can type the number over here. You can add the cost per subscription in the advanced option. You can add the payment notification link. You can redirect your customer to a specific page after a successful payment. Or you can redirect your customer to failed payment page if the payment failed. Same thing goes with partially payment page. Alright, once you're done with it, click on create and your subscription link will be created. Next, we have the POS terminal link. This tool will help you to create POS point of sale terminal link so you can accept crypto payments offline directly from your phone. Just like taking UPI or card payments, but not crypto. But how it works? Well, open the POS link on your phone. You'll get special URL, open it in your mobile device, enter your payment amount, like type how much customer need to pay, like 10 USDT, Bitcoins, etc. Customer scan the QR code and then customer approve the transaction on their wallet and you see the success message. Once the payment is confirmed on the blockchain, you will see the success notification, meaning payment received. So this is how this works. Next we have the customer. Here you can see all your customer listed here. First you have to activate your custody, set up a security such as whitelisting and two-factor authentication and top up your balance. And then you can create customer based through the API or your dashboard and control their balance. Start launching your services and you're good to go. And this is the custody. To activate it, just check this box and click on activate. And with custody, you can manage your financial flow efficiently, receive, store, convert, and withdraw crypto assets. This is another useful tool. Mass payout. This is very useful. If you are a big company and you have hundreds and thousands of employees or less, maybe you can send your employees salary in just one click. Not just for this scenario, crypto mass payout lets you send crypto payments like USDT, Bitcoins, etc. to hundreds of thousands of people in one click, but it's also useful to send commissions, reward, etc. But how it works? Well, first you have to create an account and turn on the security like two-factor authentication, whitelisting, and add crypto to your wallet, and then upload your list of your customer or your subscriber, whatever it is. Add all the recipient details through API or upload a CSV file with wallet address, crypto type like USDT, Bitcoin, and etc. and amount to send. And then send all the payments at once. Just click once and the system send all the crypto payouts instantly to all corrected wallet. In the simple words, crypto mass payout equals send crypto to many people at the same time, fast and automatically. Amazing, right? Next, you can join their affiliate program if you like to earn commission. In the settings, we have the payments that we already seen. We have the payout wallet. Once you start receiving the money, you can request for payout in your wallet. In the account, you can manage your account. You can add the profile information, store details, company name, password, and two-factor authentication as well. You can also add the whitelist if you like. In the coins, you can see all the acceptable coins listed here. As you can see, there are 300 plus coins. In the fight operations, you can enable fight operations from here, but it requires your application submission. Once you submit the application, it will take up to 3 days to verify your application. Once it's verified, you can activate the fight payment options as well, so that you have tons of options to receive the payments from your customer. So that's pretty much it. This is how you use NOWPayments for your business, and your customer won't abandon your cart at the checkout because there are tons of options to pay you with ease. So that's pretty much it. If you found the video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.